Today we'll talk about how can you enable lock screen on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just go here, you go down, click here on library down here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You come to lock screen here, just click in this sign. So when you click on it, like you see this color show for us, that's mean lock screen enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.